Assalamu alaikum everyone. I believe most of us saw the video about Halloween celebration in Saudi. And this is what is happening after the celebration of Halloween. May Allah protect us. May Allah guide us. Whenever we honor ourselves, if we are proud of this religion, Allah will continue to honor us. But if we decide that we are going to do as we want, self-desire, we are going to fulfill our own desire, then that is our greatest enemy. The greatest enemy for you to battle with your own soul. That's the greatest jihad of this thing. Doing away with your desires, doing away with things that Allah said don't do, and you are able to stand firm and you are able to fight against your own self. That is the greatest jihad that we have to do. That is what will guide us. Aren't we proud to be Muslims? Or what? If we are proud to be Muslims, then we should do things for the others to see that we are proud of our religion. But if we are always copying them, as the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, you keep on copying them till when they enter the hole of a lizard, you enter with them. May Allah protect us.